Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can duplicate a project in Canva. Let's get started. There are two ways to do this. If you're currently on the project itself, you're on the design page. You can go up to the File drop-down menu. From there, you will see an option called Make a Copy. This allows you to make a copy of your project. When you click that, it will open up a new tab. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Copy of, followed by your original project name. In this case, it was called Untitled. You can highlight this and change it to whatever you want. We're going to go with Design 2 and just press Enter. Now we have a name for this project. You can see it's opened up in its own tab in your browser. Your original project is still there in its own tab as well. And for instance, this was Untitled Design, so I can call this Design 1. Now everything pretty much auto-saves here. So if we go back to the home page, that's how you duplicate a project from within the project itself. But maybe you don't want to open it up. Any of these projects you have in your recent designs or in your projects folder, you could go there and take a look at your projects. You can simply click the three dots on a project and do the exact same thing, make a copy. Instead of making a copy of a copy, in this case, you can just rename it right here really quickly, and you have another copy of that same project. That's how you can copy it from your Designs tab, Projects tab, or Homepage. Lastly, you can also make copies of pages within your project. If you wanted to keep everything within the same project, you could simply click the three dots on this page, and then choose Duplicate Page, which can also be done with the shortcut Command or Control+D. You can have multiple pages duplicated within the same document. You can access them by clicking on this arrow to expand or collapse the Pages section. We can scroll down and see that we have multiple pages here that we can then make our edits to. Depending on which method makes more sense for you, creating a whole new project or just duplicating pages to create different versions of the same type of design, you have options. Either way, that's how you can do it here in Canva. If you want more similar tutorial videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.